These are the preview exercises for College Algebra Lesson 11. The graph of the function y equals f of x is given below, and we want to find f of 0. So anytime you have this number in parentheses, that is an input or an x value. So they've given me an x value. F of 0 is the y value. So I've been given the x value of 0, and they're asking me to find the y value. So somewhere along this curve, there is a point that has an x value of 0, and it would be right here. And its y value is 3. And then for what values of x is f of x equal to 0? So now they're asking for the x value, and they've given the y value. So somewhere along this curve, there is a point or points that have a y coordinate of 0, and those would happen when you're on the x-axis, here and here. And the x values where that happens is -3 and 2. Okay, so -3 and 2 we often call x-intercepts. They're also called zeros of the function f because they are the x values that make the function equal 0. So we call them the zeros. Okay? And real zeros are often called x-intercepts.